Welcome to CollegeDekho's official YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to do a quick analysis of JEE Main Shift 2 exam that was conducted on 30th January from 3 p.m. to 6 p.m. So this is the first reactions that we received from students, and basis the first reactions, we have collated the analysis of Shift 2, and here are some of the major highlights. So let's start with the analysis. So as per the first reaction we received, the overall difficulty level of the exam was moderate. It was not too difficult nor easy. It was again moderate. So NTA this year, NTA has made sure that the difficulty level of different shifts, it has kept a bit uniform. In most of the shifts, the difficulty level of the exam was moderate. So far, almost 6 shifts exams have concluded, and NTA has made sure that it has kept similar difficulty level across all the shifts. So this is one of the interesting factors. Technically, 8 shifts exams were over, so the difficulty level was moderate. So coming to the subject-wise analysis, mathematics was again lengthy. So mathematics is turning out to be lengthy in every shift. From the day one onwards, mathematics was lengthy and difficult, and most of the students were not able to answer all the questions within the given deadline or timeline. So basically, almost 10 to 11 questions from mathematics were turning out to be difficult in each shift, wherein they were lengthy and required a lot of calculations. And in mathematics section, there were questions from statistics, mathematical reasoning, vectors, integration, limits, sequence and series, probability, integers, and common rules. So these questions, so we are just repeating again, in mathematics, there were questions from statistics, mathematical reasoning, vectors, integration, limits, sequence and series, probability, integers, and common rules. And from the physics section, there were questions from firstly, difficulty level of physics. The physics section was moderate. So physics section was not very difficult in this shift, and compared to shift 1, we received a mixed reaction on physics, wherein students are terming it as moderate. In shift 1, we received reaction wherein students claimed that the paper was easy to moderate, but in the second shift, again it's moderate in terms of difficulty level. There were questions from semiconductor and logic, current, electricity, modern physics, communication, laws of motion, wave optics, and more. So from these topics, there were some questions. We are again repeating: semiconductor, current, electricity, modern physics, communication, laws of motion, wave optics, and more. So from these topics, there were questions. And the overall difficulty level of chemistry was easy. So chemistry was doable, and it's NCRT based, and some questions were directly given from NCRT. So chemistry was easily doable, and physics chemistry had good weightage in this particular shift, followed by inorganic chemistry. So physical chemistry, inorganic, and organic. So if you give it a ranking 1, 2, and 3, physical chemistry had decent weightage, followed by inorganic chemistry in the second place. So in chemistry, most of the questions from 12th class from organic chemistry. So when it comes to organic chemistry, rather than class 11 syllabus, there were more questions from class 12 syllabus compare when we talk about organic chemistry, and these questions were direct from NCRT. So overall, in this shift also, chemistry was doable and physics was moderate, wherein maths was difficult. And in the shift 1 exam, we take chemistry was easy to moderate, and maths was again difficult, and chemistry was again easy to moderate. So compared to shift 1 exam, shift 2 exam is slightly difficult, but anyways, NTA will be adopting normalization process, and students will get fair justice due to this varied difficulty level. So that's all about the shift 2 analysis. We will again meet tomorrow with shift 1 analysis of 31st exam, and you can click on the link available in video description for memory based questions. We have collected a lot of memory based questions, and we have even added PDF of memory based questions, and we also added solutions of JEE Main 30th exam released by different coaching institutes. So you can download the PDF of solutions along with the memory based questions collected by CollegeDekho through the link available in video description, and you can also join our Telegram group to stay updated with all the latest happenings of JEE Main